Good day, everyone. As you all know, lockdown is going on. What lockdown is not only a lockdown. Lockdown is an opportunity by which you can enhance your syllabus or revise covered or upcoming syllabus. Getting me? Yes. After completing your gravitation, your next unit is thermodynamics. In exactly what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of transformation of heat into energy और टेम्परेचर इनटू एनर्जी और वाइस वर्सा. ओके, ये फिजिक्स की वो ब्रांच है जो टेम्परेचर और एनर्जी का कन्वर्जन देखती है. ये व्हाट्स सिस्टम कुछ सर्टेन बाउंड्रीज के अंदर अपने सर्टेन प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर और वॉल्यूम रखने वाला. Getting me? It contain large number of atom or molecule. It contain large number of atom or molecule within boundaries. Okay. The next one is surrounding. Everything outside from the system is known as surrounding. Getting me? Everything outside from the system is known as surrounding. The next one is a thermodynamic variable. जनरली ये वो वेरिएबल्स हैं जो थर्मोडायनेमिक सिस्टम को स्पेसिफाई करेंगे. These are those variables which are used to specifying the thermodynamic system. In exactly what is thermodynamic variable? सिंपली थर्मोडायनेमिक सिस्टम को रीडिफाइन करने के लिए जो जिनकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उनको थर्मोडायनेमिक वेरिएबल. यस, गेटिंग मी? Basically, these are of two types: intensive variable or extensive variable. What is your intensive variable? Your intensive variable are those which are independent to the size of system. Like जो सिस्टम के साइज पर डिपेंड नहीं करते, जो सिस्टम के साइज पर डिपेंड नहीं करते हैं, जैसे हुआ मेरा टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, इंटरनल एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर एक्सटेंसिव वेरिएबल. यस, व्हाट इज योर इंटेंसिव वेरिएबल? जो मेरे टेम्परेचर के साइज पर इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं. लाइक योर टेम्परेचर, योर इंटरनल एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर एक्सटेंसिव वेरिएबल. दोज वेरिएबल which depend on the size of system. Those variables which depend on the size of system. Like, once we have a system of 1 liter, then how can we settle down 2 liter inside the system? No. So mass is a extensive variable. Next one is your types of system. What type of system? हमने सिस्टम को डिफरेंट क्लास में थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रॉपर्टीज के व्यवहार डिफरेंट क्लास में स्पेसिफाई किया. फर्स्टली हमने आइसोथर्मल सिस्टम, वो सिस्टम जिसमें टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट रहेगा. द सिस्टम विच अकर एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट. व्हेन टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट, सो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर बिकम जीरो. गेटिंग मी? नेक्स्ट वन इज योर आइसोबारिक सिस्टम. Those process which occur at constant pressure. Those system which occur at constant pressure. When your pressure is constant, change in pressure becomes zero. Next one is isochoric. Those system which occur at constant volume. Volume will remain constant in isochoric. When volume is constant, change in volume becomes zero. As you all know. Next one is the adiabatic system. In exactly what is adiabatic system? The system which occur at constant heat. जो constant heat पर occur होते हैं. It means heat become constant और change in heat become zero. So in isothermal system, temperature will remain constant, change in temperature become zero. In isobaric system, pressure will remain constant or change in pressure become zero. Okay? Or in isochoric system, volume will remain constant or change in volume become zero. Finally, adiabatic system. the system which occur at constant heat. When your heat is constant, change in heat becomes zero. Okay, we are considering the isothermal process. वो प्रोसेस जो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर पे अकर होती है, जो अभी हमने पढ़ा था, वो सिस्टम जो कांस्टेंट प्रोसेस पे अकर होती है, ओके, उसको बोलते हैं आइसोथर्मल. According to your ideal gas equation is what? PV equals to nRT. PV equals to nRT. N is the number of molecules, R is your gas constant, T is the temperature on which process occurs. So as you know, PV equals to nRT, nRT become constant, so PV become constant. It's a equation of isothermal process. Equation of isothermal process, yes. What work you have done in isothermal process? What work you have done? So next one is your work done in isothermal process. Work done in isothermal process, yes. As you all know, PV equals to nRT. We are considering only 1 mole. For 1 mole. 1 mole के लिए n become क्या हो गया? n1. तो PV equals to RT. Small amount of work done is dW equals to F dot dx. dW equals to F dot dx. Or pressure is what? Force over area. So force become pressure into area. Pressure into area of dx. Area with displacement become volume. Area with displacement become volume. So dW equals to PdV. Okay. और आइसोथर्मल इक्वेशन से क्या मिलता है? PV equals to constant. तो P equals to K upon V. K upon V. ओके, यहाँ से ये इट्स योर स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क. what total amount of work you have done when your volume changes from V1 to V2? When your volume changes from V1 to V2, then what's the total work done? dW इंटीग्रेशन मिलेगा W. टोटल इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम V1 to V2. K over V of dV. K over V of dV. K is become constant. 1 over V with respect to V. क्या हुआ? लॉ ऑफ E, नेचुरल लॉग, लॉ ऑफ V at base E, simply log of V at nature log. W equals to K log E V2 over V1. V2 over V1 is upper limit minus lower limit. log A minus log V. log A minus V क्या हुआ? log A upon V. log A upon V. क्लियर? हम नेचुरल लॉग को एट बेस 10 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 2.303 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2.303 K बिकम RT. K बिकम RT. तो 2.303 RT log 10 B2 by B1. पर आप जानते हैं यार PV बिकम कॉन्स्टेंट मीन्स PV ऑफ फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल PV of first molecule is equal to the PV of second molecule. From this equation B2 over B1 become P1 over P2. Just replace B2 over B1 here. So work done become 2.303 RT log 10 P1 over P2. It's your work done, which is stored in isothermal process. It's an introductory part of thermodynamics. In next, I will discuss further topics. Thank you.